Hello everyone, I'm Nivethitha, a PTE specialist at Y-Axis. I've got a good news for you today. Yes, it is the last video in the PTE essay series. Today we are going to discuss the double questions essay type. So there are 5 different essay types, you know them already, and we have covered the structure, what has to be written, how it has to be written for the previous 4 essay types. And today it is about double questions. And you have body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, conclusion like always. Introduction remains the same. In body paragraph 1, you will talk about the first sub-question. Double question basically is about 2 sub-questions based on the given viewpoint. And you are going to answer the first sub-question in body paragraph 1 and second sub-question in body paragraph 2. It can be any topic. Say for instance, nowadays weddings have become expensive these days, or weddings have become expensive these days, or nowadays people have started spending a lot on weddings. So it can be any viewpoint. So if we take this as an instance, there will be two sub-questions given based on the viewpoint, of course. The first sub-question can be like, what is the reason behind this? So people have started doing something or have been doing something. What is the reason behind this? That could be your first sub-question. And second sub-question may be demanding you to find out whether it is good or bad. So that would be like, do you think it is a positive development or a negative development? So you would be asked 2 different sub-questions based on the viewpoint given. And if you notice, these 2 sub-questions would be a combination of any of the previous 4 essay types. In this example, what do you think is the reason behind this? This is nothing but the essay type 4, problems and solutions, causes and solutions essay type. So this question type, the first sub-question, what is the reason behind this, demands you to find out the causes of that to be happening. That is nothing but the 4th essay type. And the second sub-question, do you think it's a positive or a negative development? What do you think? It is nothing but the agree or disagree question type. Do you agree or disagree? Remember, we have 2 variants. One is, do you agree or disagree? And the second one, to what extent do you agree or disagree? So here, the 2 sub-questions are a combination of both causes and agree and disagree question type, essay type, right? So you already know what has to be written in the conclusion for the agree or disagree question type. So since they have asked, do you think it is a positive or negative development in body paragraph 2, accordingly, you will decide what has to be written in the conclusion. Obviously, you have only limited choice. You can reiterate the main idea or you can express your opinion. Here you have already expressed your opinion in body paragraph 2, so you don't have to again do it. If you want, you can do it, no problem then. Okay, so you can express your opinion, you can reiterate the main points, or you can provide any suggestions. So among these, you will decide what has to be written, how it has to be written based on the 2 sub-questions you get for a double question essay type. Yes, so with that, we have covered the essay structure for all the types of essays that we can expect in the PTE exam. So please do watch all these videos again and start your practice and do well. Thank you.